crispy spicy tofu. I usually use organic high protein extra firm tofu. Then I don't have to bake it or cook it. It's very easy. I just slice it and then crisp it. Drain the tofu and slice it. I like to slice it thin in shape of French fry, so it's easier to turn that over. Prepare the sauce. Egg and tandoori powder. Mix it. Breadcrumbs to make it crispy. You can use any kind of breadcrumbs. Preheat the pan with some olive oil on high heat. Sauce the tofu and roll it in breadcrumbs. Once the breadcrumbs surround the tofu, put it in the pan. This is my favorite non-stick pot. I cook it on 2 sides, but you're welcome to cook it on all 4. Take it out when it's ready. Crispy spicy tofu. Ton of protein, healthy and delicious. With my favorite spicy tandoori. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to sharing more recipes from Mrs. Foods.